Hello, welcome to the second edition of our installation procedure videos. Today we're going to talk about how you can log in to a ServicePoint, which means how you can log in a sub-user. Right here, in the first video I explained what a ServicePoint admin is and what a ServicePoint is. A ServicePoint admin synchronizes sales between itself and the web application. It synchronizes transactions, while the ServicePoints and the ServicePoint admin synchronizes sales between each other locally without the use of network. So how do we get started? The first thing you do is to enable your ServicePoint. That's the first step. But before we do that, let's enable the ServicePoint. I'd like to show you how to set up a sub-user for login, because before you can log into a ServicePoint, you must have set up the user account on the desktop app. The same user you have on the web application is the same user you're going to see in the desktop application, but you need to set up their password first on this desktop application before you can log in. So I'm going to log into my ServicePoint admin first of all to set up that account, and you have to do the same thing also. So this is my own account and I have my users here. Click on users. I'm going to set up one of them. Julius454 is what I'm going to set up. So the only thing I need to do here is just update password here and just type the password you want to set for them, and that is all. Click on update and we have our user set up. So next thing now is I'm going to log out and go to the ServicePoint computer right here. Once I get to the ServicePoint computer, I enable the ServicePoint. Click on enable ServicePoint or allow ServicePoint. Then you click on settings again. Click on select connection. So this connection is enabling you must be on the same network, the same Wi-Fi network with your ServicePoint admin. All the computers must be connected to the same network for this to work out. So and then this host is the IP address of the network you are in. The software is going to identify it for you automatically and select it, right? But in some cases you might have multiple IP addresses if you're connected to more than one network, or you've connected to more than one network. So I'm going to select the one that has my own IP address right here. So the POS, my own name, my database name carries my business name. That is how I know my database. So my business name is Maiden, right? While this is POS-Maiden, so which means this is my database, and then I save. So when I see this symbol connected here, this button, it means I did the right thing and it's working. If you don't see this, that means something is wrong. You didn't do something right. So I'm going to enter the name of the user I just set up, Julius, and enter the password I set up for the person just now, and say ServicePoint, yeah, and log in. So we've successfully logged into a ServicePoint user. That is basically how it all works. So this ServicePoint can start selling now, and the sales will be saved directly on the ServicePoint admin. So when a ServicePoint admin gets connected to the internet, it can synchronize those sales to the web application. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.